It was off to a good start this year as teams came together for a touch rugby challenge with a visiting team from the Niuean community in Australia. A one-day round-robin challenge was hosted by the Niue Island Touch Association and then followed by a match-up between the visiting team and Niue's national team. Niue Island Touch Association President Stanley Kaloni said that the skills and fitness levels were on even par, but the main difference was reflected on the field in terms of player discipline, attitude and sportsmanship. Following this matchup, the Niue Island Touch Association is seriously considering hosting a tri-nation competition, drawing in teams from communities living abroad. Team Niue captain Ebony Pulu was very proud of her team's performance given the amount of time they had together.
I do feel very, very proud to represent the Niuean mixed team as well as the men's squad from yesterday. We have done extremely well considering our few and rare training sessions, but just like to take my hat off to all our Niuean team members that have put in the time and the effort to come in and get together and try and have a few good runs with the NEOS team. On the other hand, the NEOS team have done really, really well. They have taught us a lot of skills and a lot of respect for ourselves, themselves, and as well as for the referees. On top of that, yeah, just very, very, very proud.
In terms of today's game, what would you say made the difference between our team and the team from overseas?
The fact that I think our team, the only difference between our teams is we haven't been playing together as much or as often as the NEOS squad has. As we all know, our Niuean mixed team has been made of various players from around the villages that have different styles in playing, and we've all just tried to mingle in and to try and work together as a team. So although we lost today, we are still very proud of how far we've come and how well we did perform today.
Also, just looking at the makeup of the squads, there are quite a number on the Niue Oz team that are on the national team that play regionally, and same here for Niue. What's it like playing against each other rather than together?
Was intimidating at first, but once you're on the field, you bring your game face and you're just ready to attack. You know, give as much as you get. So yeah, it's been a fun run. You know, they've always brought us back to reality and have shown us that whatever mistakes we have, we can still move on from it. So yeah, they've playing against our old teammates from other national old teams. Yeah, it has been fun. We're going to get mocked later on, but all good. That's all part of sportsmanship, eh?
Team Niue gave the visitors a good run, but NEOS proved too good with the final score 4-3 to Niue Australia in the open men's and 7-3 in the mixed game, also won by Niue Australia. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope that you will join us again for our next news bulletin on Thursday. Whakausi mai nei hatutulo tau vala tam tutupu ke lata mea whiwhinei, amna ki lidiu ke whilwea pihnei ke hea whiwhi atu loto. Kia no nofua, nui ne po ato lidiu hatutulo ke whilwea.